Hi, hello everyone. This is Raji, and today I'm going to share some points on Academy and our trainer and our management, and also about our teammates. And I have joined as an advanced cosmetologist. After searching many more training institutes, I selected Lakme. Why? Lakme is an iconic brand and it has an immense significance in the beauty industry. Why I have joined, why I have selected this academy is Lakme is an iconic brand and has an immense significance in the beauty industry. It offers comprehensive training programs, and Lakshmi ma'am will explain and how the programs are designed. And we have state of the art. We have modern classrooms with well-equipped instruments and a wide range of Lakme products. And also we have professional trainers who can train us very well. And coming to the highlighting the value of certification, it can open doors to catch up career opportunities and build our successful careers in the beauty industry. And finally, it is a good platform for the aspiring artists to build their successful careers. And when coming to our trainer, Mr. Shyam sir, he honored skills through years of experience, and he teaches us very well. And he pay attention even to the smallest details in our practices. And he's inspiration to all of us and motivate us to build our careers. And many more to say about the management, but I can conclude with a simple word. Thank you so much, Lakme, for making us better. Thank you.